All right, for the next one is the OHDSI Evidence Network, which we're going to be talking a lot about in March as we get into understanding how we are going to assess data network fitness for use as it comes to our 14 studies. So our first objective here is to enhance the communication and visibility of the OHDSI network, because we are trying to engage in new data partners and support our current data partners. So a couple of things that we talked about at our last meeting for the Evidence Network is we want to build out our website. This is something we have heard from current data partners as well as prospective data partners. This is something we desperately need, so we are currently working on that. And after we get through our fitness for use work in March, we want to focus on writing and publishing a paper describing the network as we outlined in our protocol we shared with the community, I believe last July and August. And our second objective is to leverage the evidence network to enhance the scientific rigor and impact of network studies. And this directly is related to the work we are engaging in this year with generating evidence to fill those gaps in clinical guidelines. So we want to improve the fitness for use methodology and use those improvements we identify over the course of this work to release a version 2 of data diagnostics. And then the big one here is to utilize the evidence network to determine potentially appropriate sources for the community's prioritized study questions for 2025. And again, if you would like to join us instead of Common Data Model, this time you select Evidence Network. Our next meeting is actually this Thursday, February 13th at 10:30 a.m. Eastern. Patrick will actually be joining us as we start to brainstorm around this fitness for use question. So if you'd like to join, now would be a great time.